Presenting the Solimo Polaris engineered wood queen bed that is built for premium quality European standard particle board and has an elegant walnut finish. This bed comes with a spacious box storage for storing clothes, toys, linens, etc. The recommended size of the mattress for this bed is 60 inches wide by 78 inches long. It undergoes 20+ safety and quality tests to ensure high durability and robustness. The durability is tested by placing 100 kg weight over 10,000 cycles, and the bed edge stability is tested by placing 100 kg weight over 1,000 cycles. The load-bearing capacity of this bed is 360 kg. This bed comes with brand warranty of 3 years against manufacturing defects. You can avail EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery and installation of this bed at a day and time of your convenience. This bed comes with 10 days easy replacement policy for damaged and defective products. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, refer the product detail page.